5 AI tools for all coders. First is Deepcode. It will scan codes and find out bugs and vulnerabilities in the code. Second, very good is Tab 9. This is a VS Code extension. It auto code completes and works for Java, Python, C++, and other languages. Third, very important tool in this list is GitHub Copilot. Used like extensions and it detect errors and recommend changes. Fourth one is Metlify. Used like VS Code plugins. It understands codes and create documentations and comments. And fifth, but not the last, it's ChatGPT. We can use it for prompts and create some small functions. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.